In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print a receipt in Shopify. Whether you're a new Shopify user or looking to streamline your existing process, printing receipts can be a crucial element for both you and your customers. It's essential for keeping track of transactions and providing documentation for any purchase made. So, let's dive right into it. The first thing you need to do is to navigate to your Shopify admin panel. So, open up your preferred web browser and log into your Shopify account. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the home page of your store's admin dashboard. This is essentially your command center where you can control and monitor your store's performance. Next up, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of the page. You'll see a menu with a variety of options. Here, you'll want to click on Settings. This is where you control all of your store's configurations and personalize how your store operates. After this, look for the option labeled Apps and Sales Channels. Clicking on this will take you to another page where you have a complete overview of all the apps and sales channels that are currently integrated with your Shopify store. It's always good to familiarize yourself with this section, as third-party apps can significantly enhance your store's functionality. Once on the Apps and Sales Channels page, you'll want to click on the Shopify App Store. The App Store is a vast marketplace where you can find thousands of applications that can add or enhance the capabilities of your online store. From marketing tools to finance management, it's all here. In the App Store's search bar, simply type in Order Printer. This search will yield a number of options, but what you're looking for is the Order Printer Pro Invoice app. This app is particularly renowned for making printed invoices and receipts quick and straightforward. Once you've located it in the search results, click on it to get more detailed information. When you're on the app's page, take a moment to review its features, user reviews, and pricing details if applicable. Once satisfied, go ahead and click on Install. The installation process is usually quick and seamless. Upon installing the app, you'll be prompted with permissions that you need to allow, ensuring that the app can function correctly with your store. After it's installed, you can configure it according to your preferences. Order Printer Pro comes with various templates and customization options, allowing you to print receipts that best reflect your brand's image. And there you go. You now know how to print a receipt from Shopify. Keep this app handy for those moments when you need a printed record of your transactions. Thank you for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Shopify tutorials. Happy selling!